Hi everybody, welcome back to the Harvesting channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to manage storage on your Samsung Smart Monitor. So at first, you have to go to the left to the control panel and scroll down to the settings here. Now go to all settings, and here as you can see we have a spoiler. Scroll down to the support and go to the device care. On the bottom of your screen you'll be having manage storage. Click that. And here, as you can see, we have all applications installed on our monitor. We can view details of this application. As you can see, everything is here clear, crystal and clear. We can here uninstall these applications by clicking on each application, and here on the top click delete. And that's how it works actually. Goodbye and have a nice day.